Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on Mentellect Patreon.
What is the concentrated mission? Basically, us coming together as a community is the concentrated community of Ahmens, or the concentrated mission of Ahmens, excuse me. That is the concentrated mission. What is the point of us coming together? What is the point of us being of like minds coming together? To bring about a higher authority, to bring about a higher order, to bring about a higher state of righteousness. What is their higher state of righteousness? Anything but this. Anything other than this. In this unjust system, in this unjust society, where there's so much injustice that goes on here under the beast, under these, so much injustice goes on under them, something has to give. Something has to give. So much unrighteousness. So, not even about race, but more about justice, real judgment. Because as I say to anybody, if anybody disturbs your peace, I don't care what color they are, because people will cry and say, oh, you know, you taking the side of out, or you taking the side of the out. Now, I'm not taking the side of anybody. I take the side of justice. Real judgment. Justice written is real judgment. And like I said, if a Nisr does something wrong to a Nisr or vice versa, if Nisr does something wrong to a Nisr, they should be punished equally. Equally, but we know equal is not real. Because I said there's really no such thing as justice. There's judgment. Real judgment must be rendered from above. Real judgment, real law, real order must be rendered from above, not from below. And you see, that's been the problem. That's been the problem of why our people went through slavery. This has been the problem why our people had to go through goddamn Jim Crow. This is why our people had to get degraded in this society, because law and order has been the people in charge of the law and order on this planet. Law has been leading from below and not from on high. You see, the concentrated mission is just that, a mission. Right? And I told you, submission and permission have nothing to do with the ultimate mission, which is to raise the elect of Ahmens, to raise them into a state of rulership, into a state of control. That's the whole point. For the complete broadcast, you're going to have to go to Mentellect Patreon. Go to Mentellect Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to Mentellect Patreon and join the American Republic.